Sir, our osprey friends that always hang out in the palm tree in front of our room. You're having something to eat. Hey, buddy. He's having something to eat. You see? Hi. There's two of them there. That's neat. Probably seafood, huh? Fall. It's our last day, so we're going to be packing up to leave. Beautiful day. It was very nice here. We really enjoyed it. Okay, osprey buddies. We'll see ya.